On today's quick tip, I'm going to show you how to change your wiper blades on your Geely. So the first thing you're going to need to do is head to vehicle settings, my vehicle down at the bottom, and click on service and maintenance. Inside the service and maintenance, you've got this option here to put wipers in maintenance position. We need to do this because the wipers hide behind the bonnet of the car, so you can't lift them up without putting them in this mode. So make sure that on your lever on the steering wheel that your wiper blade isn't on auto wiper or turned on, and then press this button, enable it, and the wiper blades will end up in that middle position. So then when we're outside the car, just lift up the wiper blade, make sure you've got a cloth handy, this is going to be coming useful. And then if you look very closely on the wiper blades themselves, there's a little button on each side. And when we squeeze in that on each side, the wiper blade just lifts off, and that's how you remove the wiper blade. Then while you're waiting for the next one to come in, it's good practice just to put a cloth under and lower that just in case it gets bumped in the wind. There's two wiper blades on the front, obviously, one's slightly smaller than the other one. We've got 600 millimeters, which is 24 inches for the bigger one of the two, and then it's 19 inch and 475 millimeters for the smaller one. I'm going to put this one back on because I don't want to replace these because they're fairly new anyway. But then to put it back on, lift your wiper blade back up and then line up the two little notches there, wiggle it in, and it'll just clip into place. You want to hear that clip, that's nice and secure. Pop that back down, repeat the same for the second one, and then we'll head back in the car just to turn off the wiper blade mode. And then we're back in the car, all we need to go back is onto our screen where it's got the wipers and maintenance position. Turn that off, and it'll return the wipers back to their original position, and you're good to go. I hope that's been useful. That was how to change the wiper blades in your Geely car. If you like this video and you want to see more of this content, remember to hit that subscribe button, and if it's been helpful, give us a like. Until next time, thanks.